Hello dear students. Today let's see the classification of gymnosperms. The gymnosperms include 4 divisions. They are Psychrophyta, Gingophyta, Coniferophyta and Gnetophyta. First of all, let's see the Psychrophyta. The members of this group are called cycads. You can see the image of a cycas tree. Cycads are palm-like plants found mainly in the tropical as well as the subtropical regions. They have unbranched stem. Their leaves are pinnately compound. You can see here. Their leaflets have thick cuticle, which is a waxen cotton, and sunken stomata. Stomata are small opening meant for gaseous exchange. Singular form of stomata is stoma. The opening and closing of the stomata are controlled by specialized cell called guard cells. The guard cells are normally found in lying with the lower epidermis of the leaves. But in gymnosperms, the guard cells and the stomata are sunken. The thick cuticle and sunken stomata help to reduce water loss. This adaptation helps gymnosperm to withstand extreme of temperature, humidity and wind. Gymnosperms have taproots, which means that the root system consists of one main root called the taproot and many smaller shorter roots called lateral roots. Cycas has some special roots called coraloid roots, which grows upwards, not downwards like normal roots. These coraloid roots have various cyanobacteria which fix nitrogen and helps to grow in nitrogen poor soils. Here the green area is actually the cyanobacteria. Now the second group, Gingophyta. An important member of this group is Ginkgo biloba, commonly called the ginkgo tree. It is also known as the maidenhair tree because of the resemblance of fan-shaped bilobed leaves to those of the pteridophytes adiantum, which is commonly called as maidenhair fern. Ginkgo is really a beautiful tree and I love to see it in the autumn season. Its leaf color changes from green to yellow. Ginkgo biloba is the oldest living seed plant. Some botanists regard it as one of the wonders of the world, Ginkgo biloba, which is only found in the wild in China, is cultivated and protected across the world. The third class is Coniferophyta. The members are called conifers. Species of conifers can be found in almost all parts of the world, that they are mostly seen in the snow frost. Conifers called Araucaria, can be seen in the lower elevation and in the warmer climates. Conifers have branched stem. Needle-like leaves reduce the surface area, which reduces the loss of water. They have thick cuticle and sunken stomata. This helps to reduce the water loss. Sunken stomata to conserve the water. Roots of some conifers, example pinus, have symbiotic association with the fungi called mycorrhiza. Here the white covering on the root, you can see here, is called fungal hyphae. Mycorrhizal fungi will absorb water and mineral nutrients. It improves the tree's mineral absorption capabilities. Now the fourth group, that is Gnetophyta. The members of this group consist of the group 3 main genera, Gnetum, you can see here, Ephedra and Welwitschia. The primary difference between Gnetophyte and other gymnosperms is that the members of gnetophytes have xylem vessel elements similar to those found in angiosperms. Because of this, gnetophytes were once thought to be one of the closest gymnosperm relatives of angiosperms. However, molecular study shows that it is wrong. We already saw different groups of gymnosperm. Now, let's have a short look on the important features of the plant group gymnosperms. They are the primitive vascular seed plants. They form naked seeds. The main plant body is diploid and sporophyte. Their leaves have thick cuticle and sunken stomata, which are adaptations to withstand extreme temperatures, as I have told you in the earlier slide, wind and humidity. They have taproot system. They are heterosporous. They have male and female cones, and they show polyembryony. Before we conclude, here are some economic uses of gymnosperms. They provide large amount of timber for construction, packing, paper industry, plywood and particle board manufacturing. Cypress trees are grown for ornamental purposes. The chemical turpentine prepared from the pine resin is used in paint and wood industry. Pine seeds are roasted and eaten as snacks. Ephedrine is a drug from ephedra, is used for the respiratory ailments and asthma. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening and being with me. Stay tuned. Thank you.